Hi, my name is Matt Murphy and I'm a technical support specialist with Ambient Weather. Today we will be covering mounting options and hardware assembly for your WS-1965. Okay, now that we have unboxed our WS-1965, we're going to go ahead and assemble the hardware. The first thing that we're going to start with is going to be our wind cup. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and insert the wind cup into the predetermined hole on the assembly. And then what we're also going to want to do is we're also going to go ahead and tighten this screw, so then that way we are able to keep it in place. Now once that is tightened, we're going to go ahead and flip over our array and we're going to attach our wind vane. Please be aware that the wind vane is keyed. It is flat on one side to match up with the shaft. So once we insert it, it should go in without any issues. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten the screw. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it over so we can install the rain coil filter. So we're going to go ahead and take our filter and we're going to insert it into the funnel. Now after inserting, we're going to go ahead and push down on the middle so the hook latches onto the bottom of your rain funnel. This is the complete installation for the WS-1965 wind cup, wind vane, and rain gauge filter. Now that we have our WS-1965 assembled, we're going to go ahead and set up the mounting for the WS-1965. The first step is going to be inserting the metal plate into the array, like so. So after we insert the metal bracket, what we're going to go ahead and do is take our U-bolts and insert it into the first set of holes on the bottom. Now we will go ahead and insert our secondary U-bolts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install all 4 nuts on the U-bolts. What we will do is mount it on the pole and we will adjust the U-bolts in order to fit the pole that we are mounting it to. So we will go ahead and we will take this particular, we will take the array, we will insert it here. And now as long as we can go ahead and tighten these up, but we want to make sure that we are tightening everything evenly. Now that we have finger tightened all of these, I'm going to go ahead and take the supplied wrench. So now that all of our bolts are tightened, we have completed the mounting of your WS-1965 weather station. Thank you for watching our FAQ video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.